Good morning. Let us start the next topic of the chapter, revolution. In the previous topic, you have studied about the two motion of the earth, rotation and revolution. We have discussed the rotation. Now we'll start the revolution. Revolution is a motion of the earth when it completes one circle of the sun. That is known as a revolution. It takes 360 days to complete one revolution, and it is only known as a it is only the time of a revolution. Actually, it is not exactly 365 days. It is 365 and 1 by 4 days. This 1 by 4 days, or you can say that the 6 hours, it was not included in the 365 days. 1 by 4 days was remaining, and after every 4 years, this 1 by 4 day or 6 hours becomes a 24-hour, and that one day was added in the month of February after every 4 year. And you also know that year is known as a leap year, which comes after every 4 year. It is only because to adjust this 1 by 4 day or 6 day in a year. So this was a period of the revolution. Now in the revolution, one thing was there, the orbit of the earth. The orbit, orbit is a circle path on which the earth revolves around the sun. It is not actually a straight. If you see, it is not exactly the straight. The some places there where the earth is very close to sun, and the place is there when this earth is very far away from the sun. So these are the two positions. One place when the sun is very close to earth, that position is known as a perihelion, and the other part when the earth moves very far away from the sun is known as a aphelion. You can remember this perihelion. Perihelion means pass. Pass is a Hindi word, closer, and the aphelion, away. Away means very far away. So this was a two motion of the earth. This was on the 4th June. Aphelion occurs on the 4th of the June. It is far away, and the distance of the perihelion is 152 million kilometer. And similarly, the perihelion occurs on the 23rd of the January, and distance is 147 kilometer. So this was the two phases of the earth during the revolution. Now speed of a revolution. If you see the speed of a revolution, the main velocity of the speed of the earth is 1.07 thousand kilometer per hour or 30 kilometer per second. The speed of rotation is 30 kilometer per second, but the variety according to the part of the orbit. This revolution was, the speed was almost that only, the 30 kilometer per second, but when it was very close to sun, the speed of a revolution becomes high, but when it goes far away, it decreases slightly. Now the inclination of the earth axis in the signification. As I told you, the earth was inclined. If you see in the figure, the earth was inclined, and this inclination I had told you 66.5 degree and 23.5 degree. Because of this inclination, what happened, if you see the day and night, the duration of a day and night, this part if you see, this part, the day is shorter than the night. And this place if you see, the nights are shorter than the day. So it is because of the inclination. Now, if it is earth is not inclined, if the earth is in a straight line, then we having a 12 hours of a day and 12 hours of a night. But it is not like that. Because of the inclination only, the days are shorter than the night and the days are longer than the night. It occurs because of the inclination of the earth only, the difference of the day, variation of the day and night because of the inclination. Not only that, we also know in the summers days are longer and in the winters nights are longer. Now this season also occurs because of this inclination only, and when the days are longer, you know the insolation is more, because of that only the temperature is high in the summer season. While when the nights are longer, days are shorter, the less inclination of the sun comes and the temperature falls and we experience the winter. Because of this inclination, this two important phenomenon thing occurs, and also the earth axis keeps fixed angle with the plate of equilibrium. It does not change. This angle 66.5 and 23.5 does not change. It remains same throughout the year. Hence the axis away points the same direction during the period of revolution. So it remains same. Now effect of the inclination of the axis, alternation of the season. Because of this inclination of the earth, the season occurs, the different season occurs. As I told you in this diagram, if you see, when the days are longer and nights are shorter, it means this season having the summer season. While if you see this season, the days are shorter and nights are longer, so it is a winter season. Because of this inclination of the earth, the summer and the winter season occurs. When the days are longer, summer season are having, and when the nights are longer, we having a winter season, because of this inclination of the earth axis only. Now, effect of the revolution. What are the effect of the revolution? It was a big topic, because of the revolution only earth moves. Revolution only the earth revolve around the sun, and because of this revolution only we having the four important season in the year: summer and winters. We all know the two season very prominently, the summer season and the winter season. And also we are having two more season, the spring season and autumn season, where spring season comes after the winters, and after the summers the autumn season comes. These are also the fourth season. It occurs because of the revolution of the earth. It does not remain same at the same place, at the one place. It was revolving around the sun, and because of that only this fourth season occurs. Now this effect, this effect or this revolution of the earth we'll see in the next period. Thank you.